Temu roller skate shoes review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review for the Temu roller skate shoes. If you've been scrolling through Temu, you've probably seen those cool roller skate shoes that look like regular sneakers but have hidden wheels. When it comes to design, they're definitely eye-catching. The shoes often come in flashy colors and stylish designs, perfect if you want something fun and functional. Now, for the build quality, most buyers say that they're decent for casual skating, especially for kids or beginners. However, they're not made for serious skating or tricks, but they work great for smooth surfaces like malls, driveways, and parks. Comfort wise, they feel like regular sneakers and are fairly lightweight, but the cushioning can vary between styles. The best part, they're super affordable. Just make sure to double check sizing and read reviews before sizes can run a bit small. Also, the button to pop the wheels in and out can be tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it after a few tries. And that's how my review of Timu's roller skate shoes is.